How you doing? This is Mike, Innovative Door. We're going to show you 8200 Aries aluminum powder coated black custom arch window, everything powder coated. And this one here is kind of trick. We got powder coated high lift track with the old jacking shaft. All of the hardware is powder coated, except the top fixtures because Hormann did a boo-boo, but we're going to get this one's going to be black, and the top fixtures will be black, and flag brackets black, but these doors look spanking great. They're super smooth, super quiet, super high quality. And there's the custom 8500 lock mechanism. There it is, all powder coated, high track. Everything was like super sweet on this job. These doors come in multiple colors, multiple styles, multiple windows. Give us a call, whatever you want, 632-719-343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, we'll like you. Thanks for watching our custom video. Aries door, 8200 Hormann, powder coated black, jack shaft opener, and high lift powder coated as well. As always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our video. Portion not included.